Okay, see here we are getting this console URL now. Okay, maybe now I can reuse this console URL. So I will select this unit.
What are the clues you get from emulate testing? Like if the deployment is working, what do you expect?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you repeat once?
Yeah, what do you expect like from the M unit testing? Like if the deployment is working, what's
No,
the our expect?
it automate our testing process. For example, you developed your code, you completed everything, and then you completed your immunity also. Okay, fine, everything good now. Now after few days you did some change. Okay,
Okay,
so it's not possible for you to like retest everything, all scenario and everything. So what you can do, you can run this munit and munit will validate everything for you. You don't
okay,
need to test manually everything. So you need to design your munit in such a way it will validate each and every component. Like after doing your change, like none of the other functionality got impacted.
okay, okay. Got it. Thank you.
So again, console is not coming in case of munit, but last time I created, so let me reuse that one. Let me call any post, any one of them. What happened? It seems console we can't test from. Uh, Means from there. So it should be very similar to. Oh, okay. We received request. I thought we haven't. So we received request. Next, API kit console. Again, I will mock this data. Miss it. Okay, so it created for console also. Now do right click, run this. So this time we got error in one. So we need to check what error we are getting. API.console is giving error. Output text HTML. Mock payload.dwl coming like this. Anonymous main line column 8. Test.html. Set event payload. Okay, this one is console only. Okay, here binary data is coming. Okay. I don't know why in console binary data is coming. Ideally it should. So let me delete this first. Okay, and this also. Save this. And let me try to run this console again. Then we'll go to console. It seems error is due to that only. Console is not coming properly. There is no data to display. Try with Postman. Slash console slash verification. Okay, I will not waste time here. So let it be. For console, I am not going to test now. Now we'll go for another flow. So we for API.xml we completed almost 93%. 7% is pending due to console. That That's okay. Like anyhow, like whenever you will do testing, then coverage will be 80%, around 80-90% they will tell. Okay. So let's go for another flow, this post customer one. Here again, do right click